What you will learn in this video. In this video, we will talk about a very common problem faced by many English learners. They can understand English when they read or listen, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. They can't find the right words, or they get nervous and go blank. If this happens to you, don't worry. You're not alone. Today, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue and give you practical tips to overcome it. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and ready to speak English without fear. Why does this happen? Before we move to the solutions, let's understand the root of the problem. If you can understand English but have trouble speaking, it means your passive skills, listening and reading, are stronger than your active skills, speaking and writing. This is very common. Here are a few main reasons why you freeze while speaking. 1. Fear of making mistakes. Many learners are afraid that others will laugh at them if they say something wrong. This fear builds pressure, and under pressure, the brain sometimes locks, causing you to freeze. 2. Lack of speaking practice. Understanding English doesn't always mean you've practiced speaking it enough. You might read books or watch movies in English, but speaking needs a different kind of training. Common overthinking grammar and vocabulary. When speaking, some learners try too hard to speak perfect English. They think too much about grammar or finding the best word, and that slows them down or stops them completely. 4. Low confidence or shyness. Even if your English is good, you might feel shy or unsure in front of others. This emotional block can make it difficult to speak up. How to fix this problem? Simple and practical tips. Now that we understand the problem, let's talk about the solutions. These tips will help you unlock your speaking ability and become more comfortable while speaking English. 1. Start speaking English daily. Even if you're alone, you don't need a partner to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, talk about your plans, or repeat what you hear in English movies or YouTube videos. This helps you build fluency and confidence without pressure. Example. In the morning, say, "Today I will go to the market. I need to buy vegetables. After that, I'll work on my project." This habit will train your brain to think and speak in English naturally. 2. Record yourself speaking. Take your phone and record yourself talking about any topic. Don't worry about mistakes. When you listen to the recording later, you'll notice what you did well and what you need to improve. This also helps you track your progress over time. 3. Use simple words. Don't try to speak like a native speaker at the beginning. Keep your words and sentences simple. Instead of saying, "I am extremely delighted to be here," just say, "I'm very happy to be here." This reduces the pressure and helps you speak smoothly. 4. Practice speaking with English learners like you. Find someone who is also learning English. You both will understand each other's struggles and help each other grow. You don't need to be perfect. The goal is to speak more and build confidence. 5. Focus on communication, not perfection. The main purpose of language is communication. Don't worry if your grammar is not perfect or if you forget a word. What matters is that the other person understands you. With more practice, your accuracy will also improve. 6. Train your brain to think in English. Many people try to translate from their native language to English when they speak. This takes time and causes delays. Try to think directly in English even in simple sentences. This will help you respond faster and more naturally. Example. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है. I need to drink water. Train your mind to directly think, I need to drink water. 7. Shadowing technique. This is a powerful speaking exercise. Choose a short English video with subtitles. Listen to the speaker and repeat what they say at the same time. Try to copy their tone and speed. This will improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. 8. Join an English-speaking group or online class. If possible, join a class or a group where people meet regularly to practice speaking. Being in a group pushes you to speak and helps you become more comfortable talking in front of others. 9. Accept that freezing is normal. Even native speakers sometimes forget words or get nervous. So don't feel ashamed if you freeze. Smile, take a breath, and start again. The more relaxed you are, the better you'll speak. 10. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language takes time. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Even speaking one sentence in English is a step forward. Encourage yourself the same way you would encourage a friend. Daily speaking routine. You can follow this. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow to improve your speaking and stop freezing. Morning. Talk to yourself about your plans for the day. Afternoon. Watch a short English video and try shadowing it. Evening. Record yourself speaking on any topic for 2-3 minutes. Say, think about your day in English before sleeping. Final thoughts. What we have learned in this video. In this video, we discussed a problem that many English learners face, the fear and confusion that comes when it's time to speak. You might understand English well, but still freeze when you need to talk. We learned that this happens due to fear of mistakes, lack of speaking practice, or low confidence. We also shared simple and powerful tips to help you break this block. These include speaking daily, recording yourself, using simple words, and practicing with others. We also talked about techniques like shadowing and thinking in English to make your speaking smoother. Remember, the key is not to be perfect, but to keep going. Speak a little every day, stay patient with yourself, and your confidence will grow. Don't let fear stop you. Your voice matters, and the world is ready to hear it. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself speaking English with confidence and ease.